wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling backpacks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. With its 60-litre capacity, the deuter helion is quite large, but it has a streamlined design so it doesn't look too bulky. Unlike most, its wheels can be replaced if they get damaged. It's not prone to tipping over and comes with a metal ring for attaching an address tag. However, it is heavy at over 8 pounds when empty. At number 9, when not in use, the handle on the Samsonite computer tucks away into a zippered compartment, as do the straps. This is made from a sturdy ripstop nylon, so it should last for years. It rolls almost completely silently and includes a padded laptop sleeve, but there are few color choices. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If your school or workplace only allows clear bags, the K-Cliff See-Through has got you covered. It is available with a variety of trim and handle colors to choose from, so you can still show off some personal style. It's a thick PVC construction, however the grab loop is quite small, and it's not the best for very heavy loads. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the High Sierra Chaser has smooth rolling wheels and is tough enough to hold heavy items without tearing. It's equipped with rub rails and corner guards to prevent the edges from getting dinged up. It includes a media pocket with a cable port and an integrated key clip, but the water bottle holder is small. Moving up our list to number 6, the J-World New York Sunny comes in a lot of patterns to make it stand out from the crowd. It has air mesh shoulder straps that are comfortable to wear for extended periods, and an organizer in the front pocket for things like pens, business cards, and change. It doesn't wobble when rolling, and the material is easy to clean. However, this one's not the best for tall users. Halfway up our list at number 5. Carrying heavy books to school can lead to long-term back problems for kids, even those still in elementary school. The Skip Hop Zoo can help reduce the chance of this happening to your child, and he or she will appreciate the fun animal designs it comes in. It's made of a robust polycanvas fabric with cute matching zipper pulls. It deliberately has no shoulder straps. At number 4, if you need something capable of accommodating a lot of stuff, the JanSport Driver 8 is worth a look. It features 2 large main compartments, a number of pockets for organizing accessories, and a handy mesh drinks bottle holder. It provides a good amount of water resistance and is backed by a lifetime warranty. However, the shoulder straps can be uncomfortable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For those venturing farther than the office or campus, the Osprey Fairview 36 is a good choice. At 36 litres, it can hold more than enough for a weekend trip, and even when stuffed full, it's comfortable to carry thanks to the padding and hip belt. It provides decent wheel clearance and dual compression straps on the front, and it's compatible with the Osprey Daylight Pack. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Kipling Alcatraz 2 has a top-to-bottom U-shaped opening that enables you to load it to capacity without struggling to get large items in. The shoulder straps can be unhooked and shoved into a zippered pocket, which protects them while you're wheeling it along. It's small enough to work as a carry-on and includes a secure buckle closure and a keychain. And taking the top spot on our list, the Matein freewheel sports a versatile design that would suit college students, business professionals, and more. It features a padded laptop pocket that accommodates any device up to 15.6 inches and wheels that can handle all kinds of rough terrain. Its main compartment opens wide and is equipped with lockable zippers. You have a choice of 2 sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video.